Hello, everyone, and welcome to Connecting the Dots with Dr. Ashaye, a great place to be if you desire to take charge of your health so you can live fully while enjoying doing what you love. This month, we're going to be talking about weight, specifically how you can sustain a healthier weight. And by now, you've heard all kinds about weight. The truth is, there's not a one size fits all approach. There are many approaches, and some of them work well, but others have many disadvantages. So it's important that we find out what is sustainable and what works for you. And that's what we're going to be discussing this whole month. And I have a special guest. I'm so excited. I have Ruchika Bihal here. She's a health coach. She's trained in she's a trained functional nutritionist and owner of Nourish Your Life. And she's going to be helping us uncover, discover, decode many things about achieving a healthy weight. Welcome, Ruchika.
Thank you so much, Dr. Asha. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank
Totally a topic that I love to speak about.
Yeah, thank you for being here. So we're going to deliver this information in bite-sized fashion, so it's not too overwhelming. Ruchika is also the health coach in our metabolic wellness and healthy weight program at our practice at In Touch Primary Care. So she has a lot to share with us today. Okay, so you're listening to Connecting the Dots with Dr. Ashaye. I'm Lola Ashaye. I'm a family medicine and lifestyle medicine doctor and owner of In Touch Primary Care here in Sugar Land, Texas, where we help you become and stay healthy easily with hassle-free healthcare, freeing you to achieve your dreams. You can join our practice by going on our website and clicking the Enroll Now button on the pop-up box. All right, so let's get into it. So this is part 4 of this 5-part series. So be sure to go back and listen to the first 3 episodes. Last week, we discussed proven habits that will lead to a healthier weight. And, Ruchika and I work together, like I mentioned earlier, on the metabolic wellness and healthy weight program at In Touch Primary Care. And in our program, we don't recommend starting medication immediately. We really focus on building a healthy foundation with proven habits. And then over time, partnering with the patients, we may add a medication or supplements if we think it's going to be beneficial. But we've heard some of the participants in the program say, or all of them have many positive things to say, but they talk a lot beyond their weight. Like most of the time they're talking about other aspects of their health. And for me, that's been the most fulfilling aspect of the program, is when they talk about how they feel about themselves or their mindset around their health. I think that's the biggest win. Um, the fact that they can take the knowledge that we share to transform their health anytime. Now they know how to navigate challenges, and they enjoy caring for themselves. So this is really, what we really, really enjoy seeing. And I'm sure that's true for you, Richard Cat.
Absolutely. I've always said that in our group meetings, right? The favorite ones for me are when someone says how their mindset changes from having to take care or having to cook for themselves to now like, wow, I get to cook. I enjoy delicious food. And as a side benefit, I enjoy this healthy weight.
Yes. And the other thing that is so exciting is that whatever they do can impact their loved ones too. And oftentimes we hear this over and over again where, oh, I'm doing this with my husband, or all of us in the family are now eating healthy, or, I told a friend about this and now they're doing it too. So it's so powerful that we have that opportunity to hear our patients, saying these things. And that brings me to my next question in our discussion, Chika. So, what are 3 things people should know about achieving a healthy weight in a healthy fashion and how it impacts their health?
So I think weight obviously impacts many things. Like we said, it makes you happier. Being at a healthy weight, of course, it changes your esteem, confidence levels. But I think the biggest one when you do it in a healthy way, it changes the relationship with food and how you take care of your body. Uh, because again, a lot of times you find people, they are at a healthy weight, but they don't see that healthy person in the mirror.
Mm.
So because here we are working on the mindset, the foundational pieces, we are really, I think, being very cognizant of changing that relationship, having a better self-esteem, having a better confidence when you're looking at yourself. Those are, I think, those are good side benefits to experience apart from, of course, better blood pressure, people have better joint health, reduce inflammation. Those are some benefits that most people be can definitely experience. That's not something that they think about initially, but just being able to move, just being out there in fresh air, overall changes their moods as well. Did I answer your question completely?
Yeah, so exactly. I think, it's beyond just the healthy weight. And that's what we're
Yes.
finding, right? Like a lot of times when people first come in, they're really focused on the weight. But then over time, I see a shift where they start to see the benefits of doing this in a healthy fashion. And now they're focusing on, oh, I sleep so much better, or, I enjoy my food more, or I'm moving more, so they're focusing on the foundational habits, which really they can take with them, forever. And, that's what really excites me. And of course, with the healthy weight comes lowering of the blood pressure. We know that if you lose about, or if you decrease your weight by about 2 pounds, you reduce your blood pressure by at least 1 point. So for every 2 pound reduction in weight, it results in a 1 point reduction in blood pressure. And that we also know that by decreasing your weight by 5 to 10% of your total body weight, you can significantly improve management of diabetes for those that have diabetes. So there are many, many benefits of a healthy weight that go beyond just the weight.
Totally. It's not the number on the scale. And one of my favorite ones is the ripple that it creates in people's lives, like you said, right? Their friends, family. And we are a sum of people. We are an average of people we hang around with. So when everyone starts getting healthier as a society, it gets a healthier place to exist.
Yes, exactly. So thank you, Chika. If you are in the Houston area, you can, and you want to, work with Ruchika and I, you can do that. You can just go to our website, intouchprimarycare.com. You can click on our full list of services and sign up for an initial consult, or you can click on the link in the comments below. You can also schedule a free consultation with me by clicking on the link on our website. So until next week, we'll be back with more information about healthy weight. Thank you, Ruchika.
Same. Bye bye.